Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the JVC memory foam earbuds and the model number is HAA10T. So these are truly wireless earphones, and as you can see on the box, they have Bluetooth version 5.0. They come with IPX5 sweat and water resistance, so they can take a few splashes, and they come with a total of 14 hours of battery life. So let's turn this around and see what we have here. So at the back, you can see immediately that you can see the earphones right here from inside the box, which is great. They give us a little sneak peek of that. And here you can see that they have broken down the battery life. So you have 4 hours on the earbuds themselves and an additional 10 hours in the charging case, which amounts to a total of 14 hours. So the charging case should be able to charge up these earphones around 2 to 3 times. It also has IPX5 water resistance, and it is also voice assistant compatible. So now let's open up these and see what we have inside. Let's set this aside. And here you can see right away, you can see the earphones and the charging case. So let's extract these. So first and foremost, here we have a few extra ear tips. You can see that you have these. These are memory foam tips. So this is the small size, while we have attached the medium on the earbuds. These fit your ears form factor. They can be molded and they're extremely malleable, and they basically enhance passive isolation and also the fit in the ear. So it's great that JVC has included this, and they have made it very clear by naming their earphones the memory foam earphones. Here you also have a few regular silicone ear tips. So you have the small size, the large size, and these are the medium. Actually, these are the medium and these inside are the large. So you have the small, the large, the medium and the large silicone ear tips, as well as the small comply foam ear tips and the medium ear tips. So there's quite a lot of customization, and you can ensure that it will fit just about any ear, which is great. So let's set these aside for a moment and let's look at what we have in here. So here we have a micro USB charging cable. You have a type A on one end, which you can connect to an adapter or your PC, and you have the micro USB on the other end. It's a shame that these earphones don't come with USB type C connectivity, since if your phone has a type C connector, you'll just have to carry 2 separate cables, but it's okay. And they have also wrapped it up in some wrap here. So let's set this aside right now and see what we have inside. So in here we have the usual documentation. You have your user guide and you have a thank you note. So let's set this aside as well. And now let's look at what we have here. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys.